Welcome back to another comprehensive review session of Gemini. Gemini's crypto exchange app provides a comprehensive platform for trading and managing cryptocurrencies. It caters to both beginners and advanced users with its user-friendly interface and robust security features. Available on both iOS and Android, the app integrates seamlessly with Gemini's web platform, ensuring a consistent user experience across devices. User interface and experience. Ease of use, the app is designed with simplicity in mind. It features a clean and intuitive interface, making it easy for users to navigate through different sections. New users can quickly get started with buying and selling cryptocurrencies, while advanced users can utilize features like price alerts and detailed market charts. Accessibility, the app supports over 100 cryptocurrencies, allowing users to trade a wide variety of digital assets. It also provides real-time market data, price tracking, and portfolio management tools, enabling users to make informed trading decisions on the go. Security features. High-level security. Security is a top priority for Gemini. The app includes multiple layers of security, such as two-factor authentication, biometric login options, and device management. Users can monitor and manage authorized devices to ensure their accounts are secure. Insurance and cold storage. Gemini offers insurance for assets held in its hot wallet, providing an additional layer of protection. Most assets are stored in cold storage, which is not connected to the internet, further safeguarding them from potential cyber threats. Trading and fees. Order types. The app supports various order types, including market and limit orders, catering to different trading strategies. This flexibility allows users to execute trades according to their preferences and market conditions. Fee structure. Trading fees on the Gemini app are higher compared to some other platforms. For example, debit card purchases incur a 3.49% fee, and there is a convenience fee for trading on the mobile app. Users can reduce fees by using bank transfers instead of debit cards. Additional features. Gemini Credit Card. The app integrates with the Gemini Credit Card, allowing users to earn crypto rewards on everyday purchases. The card offers up to 3% back in Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies on dining, 2% on groceries, and 1% on all other purchases. Gemini Earn. Users can also access Gemini Earn through the app, which allows them to earn interest on their cryptocurrency holdings. This feature is particularly attractive for long-term holders looking to generate passive income from their assets. Pros and cons. Pros. User-friendly interface suitable for beginners and advanced traders. High security with 2FA, biometric login, and insured hot wallets. Wide range of supported cryptocurrencies. Integrated features like Gemini Credit Card and Gemini Earn. Cons. Higher trading fees compared to some competitors. Convenience fee for using the mobile app. Limited educational resources and no demo account for beginners. Conclusion. The Gemini Crypto Exchange app is a robust and secure platform for trading and managing cryptocurrencies. Its user-friendly design and high-level security make it an excellent choice for users prioritizing safety and ease of use. However, the higher fees might be a drawback for cost-conscious traders. Overall, it is well suited for both new and experienced cryptocurrency investors looking for a reliable mobile trading solution. That wraps up our detailed review of Gemini. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.